Hello, dear friends of our meditation channel. Today, I'm here to share with you a special guided meditation, specially created to calm anxiety. It's an invitation to find a refuge of peace and serenity amidst the turmoil of our daily thoughts and worries. So, find a comfortable and secluded place to sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes, and let's begin this inner journey. Find a peaceful space and allow yourself to relax completely. Take a deep breath and feel the gentle support of the ground beneath you, whether you're lying down or sitting. Release any tension in your shoulders, jaw, and forehead, leaving behind any worries and responsibilities during our meditation. This is a special moment dedicated to self-care, tranquility, and relaxation. Get ready for a transformative guided meditation that will lead you to a state of serenity and safe well-being. Fully embrace this experience and let your inner peace be restored. Now, center your attention on your breath, noticing the subtle flow of air entering and leaving your body. As you inhale, observe how your abdomen expands, and as you exhale, allow all worries and restlessness to dissipate. Take a deep breath, allowing yourself to be enveloped in a growing sense of calm and tranquility with each breath. As you surrender to this natural rhythm of inhaling and exhaling, allow yourself to relax even deeper. Notice how your breath becomes an anchor to the present moment, a safe point of rest. Visualize each inhalation nurturing you with peace and serenity, while the exhalations gently release any tension or anxiety present. Savor this special moment as you use your breath as a source of renewal and balance. Surrender to this revitalizing experience, where each breath signifies deep inner well-being. Let's now engage in a guided visualization to help calm anxiety. Imagine yourself walking through a stunning garden filled with vibrant flowers and lush plants. Ahead of you, there is a tranquil lake with crystal clear waters. Make your way towards the lake shore and notice the serenity it emanates. Now, find a comfortable spot by the edge of the lake and observe how the sunlight reflects on the water's surface. As you continue to observe, notice how your anxious thoughts begin to dissipate. Allow a sense of peace and serenity to envelop your entire body. In this present moment, you feel safe and protected. Furthermore, we will address the importance of self-compassion and self-love during your journey of emotional healing. Anxiety is often fueled by negative and self-critical thoughts. Learn to replace these thoughts with positive affirmations and unconditional acceptance. Repeat these positive affirmations in your mind or out loud, allowing the positive energy of them to manifest within you. I am in a state of calm and tranquility. I let go of all worries and fears. I trust in the natural flow of life. I deserve to experience peace and serenity on my journey. I am capable of resolving any challenge. I am resilient and able to adapt to change. Feel the power of these words as they resonate within you, nourishing your mind and heart with a profound sense of inner peace. These affirmations serve as a gentle reminder of your potential to find balance and serenity in every moment. As we come to the end of this guided meditation, gently bring your attention back to your body by slowly moving your fingers and toes. Feel revitalized and renewed by the experience of calming anxiety. Remember that you can return to this meditation whenever you need a moment of tranquility amidst the busyness of life. I am grateful for you joining me in this moment of peace. Until next time, may you find calm within yourselves and enjoy a state of lasting serenity. Remember, inner peace is within your reach. Until next time.